In this video, I'll show you how to install OKX app on your device. If you're using your iPhone or your Android, I'm going to walk you through how you can do this. This video is basically for educational purpose only, so ensure you watch through all I'm going to show you right now. So open your App Store, come on here, type in OKX, click on it. So there's the wallet, there's the exchange. So what we need to do, we need to get the second option. So I'm going to come on here. You're going to click on this, click on install, click on this. Now what you need to do, you need to wait for it to load up. So I'm going to gradually wait for it to open up. So right now you can see I've been able to get the OKX app here on my device. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all in the next video.